What's up to each and every single one of you who is watching this? First and foremost, I just want to say thank you for giving us your attention, your eyeballs, your time. My name is Richard Njao, founder, host of CTA, Cleaning the Airwaves. And I just wanted to do a quick video. And the reason why I'm doing this video, first and foremost, to tell you thank you. We put a call out. I'm on a mission to do 100 leadership conversations. As you can see, we're having one today. So I'm on a mission to do 100 of these in 2025. And I put out a call asking you to send in your names. I want to just let you know that we got quite a lot of emails, a whole bunch of them. And we are definitely coming through all of them, and we will respond to each and every single one of them. It doesn't mean we're going to have each and every single person here, but we're definitely going to respond to them. I want to do this call because over the next couple of days, from the 14th of February 2025 to the 25th of February 2025, I'm going to be in Estonia and Finland. So to any African leaders or to any global leaders who are there who would like to have a sit down with me, please go to email us at hello@cleaningtheairwaves.com. Excited. The dates again are from the 14th of February all the way until the 25th. We leave on the 25th. Estonia and Finland, if you'd like to sit down on the CTA seat, hit your boy up. Excited. But to anybody else who's watching, definitely keep sending your requests. We are getting them, and we are super excited to have the different leaders from all different industries. Excited about the guests who we have today. Enjoy that, CTA.